The required materials to take an impression are as follows: a tray, empty mixing bowl, packet of alginate, spatula, buffalo knife, graduated cylinder, and a bowl with water. Check the packet to see the suggested volume of water, and fill the graduated cylinder with approximately this amount. Pour the measured water into the mixing bowl. Using a buffalo knife, open the alginate packet and place the alginate in the mixing bowl as well, adding it to the water. Begin by slowly mixing the alginate until it is completely saturated with water. Once the alginate is completely saturated, you may begin to mix more vigorously. Spatulate or strop the alginate against the side of the bowl. Do this until a smooth consistency is achieved. Then displace the alginate against the side of the bowl to remove any air bubbles. Take a slice of alginate and load it in the tray. Continue to do this until the tray is completely filled. Once the tray is completely filled, take the extra water and glisten the top of the surface in order to make it smooth. Remove any excess alginate. A small amount may also be placed on your hand in order to use as a guide for when it is set. Retract one cheek with the tray and the other cheek with your finger, and seat the tray so that it is centered with the midline. Fold the lip over the tray in order to mold and capture the vestibule. Hold the tray in the patient's mouth in order to prevent it from moving. Continue to hold the tray until the alginate is set. Once it is set, break part of the seal and carefully remove the tray. Inspect your impression for any inconsistencies or errors. The required materials are your impression, graduated cylinder, buffalo knife, spatula, packet of stone, mixing bowls, one with water, the vibrator, and green box wax. Take the green box wax and heat it under warm water in order to increase its pliability. Now take the heated box wax and wrap it around the tray. Pinch the box wax around the underside of the tray in order to prevent the stone from extruding out while it is being poured up. Check the packet of stone and fill the graduated cylinder with the required volume of water. Place the measured water in the empty mixing bowl and add the stone to the water. Mix the stone and water until it is a smooth consistency. Then take the mixture and place it directly on the vibrator in order to release any air bubbles. Place the impression on the vibrator and add stone to one end of the arch. Allow this to flow from that end to the other side while continually adding small amounts of stone. Once all the teeth are filled, place the entire impression on the vibrator in order to release any air bubbles. Once these are filled, continue to add stone to the center of the impression and use the vibrator to displace it evenly. Continue to do this until the entire impression up to the top of the box wax rim is filled. Allow the stone to set until it is cool to the touch and ready to be released from the impression.